Making Scrambled Eggs by Alex Shu. Step 1. Crack about 6 eggs into a bowl. Step 2. Break the egg yolks and then mix them until it looks like it has a mushy yellow texture. Step 3. Cut green onions and then plop them into the bowl of eggs. Optional. You can add milk too if you want. Step 4. High heat. Pour a little bit of oil onto a pan. Wait until it heats up and bubbles a little. After when it's bubbling a little, gently pour the eggs onto the pan. Step 6. Flip the eggs over after one side is cooked. Be careful when you flip them over because the oil might splatter on you. Step 7. Put the eggs onto a plate and then enjoy your meal. The End by Alex Shu.